Hi, we're Soon!
And today we're playing some Pictionary.
Yay!
Yay!
2, 1, go!
2, 3. 3 words!
3 words!
Ilang syllables?
Wala!
Ano yun? Oh, yung third word.
20 seconds!
Star. First word.
3 wise men.
The fault in our stars.
Okay, around.
10 seconds.
Circle.
Stardust.
Star 9.
5, 4,
Dragon Balls.
2, 1.
Suta. All the stars glowing. Buha niyo na yung pan-third eh.
So,
Ayoko na guys.
so kami yung mali.
3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3.
3 words.
Oh, okay. Syllable last. Road. Huwag mo naman
20 seconds.
Seconds ginalingan pa pag-drawing ah. Nailaw.
Basketball.
Ano yan? Zoo. Ano yan? Zoo?
10 seconds.
Speed limit.
Highway.
Highway to hell.
Crossroads.
Road to hell.
See you at the crossroads.
5 seconds.
I love Satan.
I'm going to die. Ano ba yan?
Paliwanag mo.
Pwede bang...
Far away. Ang tayo!
Labo.
3, 2, 1, go!
1 word. 2 syllables. Here. Here?
3.
Ano ba to?
Here.
Here. Ano ba yung drawing mo? Parang chicharong bulaklak eh.
Lucifer.
Hirap.
Tara, blanco na nga.
10 seconds.
First word. Syllable. Sige, mag-drawing ka na. Wala tayong oras. Uy! Ano ba? Talo pa nga? Ano to?
Delicate. Oh, paano mo ito-drawing yun? Oh, kita mo?
Ano ba drawing yan?
Di ba?
3, 2, 1, go!
One word. Seed. Plant. Rose.
Flower.
Flower.
20 seconds.
Stem.
Flower.
Mushroom.
Blossom.
Blossom.
10 seconds.
Blossoming. Blossoms. Bloss.
5 seconds.
Blossoming.
Bloom.
Growing. Bloom.
Blow.
Ano yung ganun?
3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3.
3 words pa nga.
Babae. Lady. Girls.
Girls.
Girls. Girls. Girls.
Girls on parade.
Ano?
15 seconds.
Raisa.
Girls like...
Girls like
you.
boys.
Girls like you.
7 seconds.
Girls like her.
Girls like me.
Girls
Girls like you.
Girls like
Girls
you.
like you.
Sinabi ko na yun.
Girls like... Okay, palala na kami sa huli.
Oo. Hindi ko narinig. Hindi ko narinig. Sorry. Namimili ka. Gusto mo galing.
Tapos na to.
3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2. Ano? English, Tagalog? English. Oh. First. Itlog. Eggs.
Dede.
9. 9 crimes.
9 lives.
9
seconds.
below.
9 below.
9 floor. 9 floor!
Pwede yan?
Sino kumanta nun?
River Blind na sini.
Ah, okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Tagalog, 1 word.
1 word.
3 syllables. Masaya. Malungkot.
Aligaya.
Maligaya.
Ngiti.
Ligaya. Okay.
Mas sindikato pa pala to.
Sindikato nga. Madali lang. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Tagalog.
3 syllables.
Seconds.
Sila.
15 seconds.
Tao. Kita.
10 seconds.
Ayan. Papunta. Papunta.
5 seconds.
Ano ba yan?
Susundan. Susundan.
2, 1, go.
English.
English, 1, 2, 3.
Words.
Oh, first
Yeah.
word. Patay.
Lying. Lying late. Lie daw.
Lay.
Lay.
15 seconds.
Lying.
Lie. Lie to me.
Yeah!
Galing naman.
3, 2, 1, go.
Tagalog. Apat. Okay. O, bilisan mo na. Third word.
Kumindot. Kumindot.
Labi.
Labi.
Halik.
Sigaw.
10 seconds.
Sigaw. Salita. Hello. Ano yan? Di ba ang sabi mo?
Yoy! Ay, dali. Ang laki yung mata niya.
Clutch, bro.
Solid yan, solid yan.
Kobe.
Nice.
Kobe.
Thank you for watching! For more videos from us and other artists, check the links here and below.
Ba't ako nakaganon?